Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is Jeff Goodman here, MyEcon Independent Associate, and in this video I'm just going to quickly show you exactly how I go about using Craigslist to promote or get more eyes in front of my actual business vehicle, in front of my website, whether they want to actually take advantage of a business opportunity or if they just want to see what MyEcon is all about, and maybe take advantage of the products and services that we offer as well. Either way, it's a way in which you can get more traffic to your actual website that you were given as a MyEcon business associate. So let's get right to it. If you don't have a Craigslist account already, it's imperative that you set one up. It's free to do. You can use any existing or valid email that you may have. In this case, you can see mine up here, ggoodmanceo@gmail.com. Password is hidden for security purposes. We just log right on in, and you'll go to your next screen. Whatever market that you might be in, or whatever market that you actually want to target to start getting eyes in front of your website, you want to select that. In my case, I'm closest to the metropolitan area of Philadelphia, so I shoot for Philadelphia as my actual mainstay as far as where I want to promote. Now in this case, we're just going to be promoting or posting an ad for an opportunity. Now Craigslist used to actually allow you to do this at no cost or even a minimal cost. Now, because so many people are using this as an actual resource to, post ads or market whatever it is that they're marketing, products, services, business opportunities, whatever the case may be, because so many people probably have done this, they have now, begin to, monetize the opportunities so that you can do this. So what I'm going to show you today is just a workaround for how you can actually, look to post different, ads online without having to really, pay for it. And these are pretty much going to be organic leads that you're going to generate, anywhere from 25 to 50 leads per day, or 25 to 50 different pairs of eyes that you can have in front of your business vehicle or opportunity or business products and services you can actually have with the way in which I'm going to be showing you how to post today. So let's get right to it. And we're posting ads. So we're creating a post. And what you want to do after clicking creating a post, this is the area where you used to be able to do it at no cost, where you see gig offered. That's no longer the case. Now I believe Craigslist wants maybe $5 at a minimum, per month to run the actual post for 30 days. That's, if you're an actual, business entity out there like jobs that you find on monsters.com or hotjobs.com, that's something that they would actually use. That's something that they would actually be doing or using in order to look for their individuals or potential employees. In our case, we're network marketers. We're actual direct sales individuals. So we're just spreading knowledge. We're spreading information. And where do you find most things of an informative value? If you think about it, if you're walking in the streets, you're going through supermarkets, you're going to laundromats, you're going to anywhere where there's a high volume of people, you're looking at community boards all day. So what we're creating right here is just a virtual community board for that said area that you select. In this case, I've selected Northeast Philadelphia as my area where I want to post something on a virtual community board. So what you're going to select now is just that community, and your subcategory that you're going to choose. What I like to choose is general community, and Craigslist will show you what they will and will not accept on these types of posts. So in this case, I post again something that what you saw in the beginning. I'm posting the same information here. This is a simple ad. This is a serious work from home opportunity, and what you want to do is just make it fit to what you're going to be speaking to the people on from Craigslist. This is an ad that I sometimes use, logging onto Facebook or logging into different groups on Facebook. So you'll see something like where you can put a link in that particular ad. For Craigslist, they frown upon that, so you're not going to be able to place your direct link into this message and expect Craigslist not to say anything about it. You're redirecting people from their website by doing that, and that's not what they want. They don't like that. So you have to kind of play around with the words here or just eliminate that. I just choose to eliminate that. Would just another $50 a day help? Less than a month ago, one of our team members signed up who had never made any money online. Within a week, they started earning over $50 a day. That's an extra $1,400 a month paid directly into their bank account. Okay, now you can put in here parentheses that speaks volumes or speaks for the business. We get paid every Friday at MyEcon. So this would happen potentially if somebody were to get started and perform well. That'll happen for them every Friday. Okay. Now, can you imagine how would your life be different if you could work less than 15 minutes per day to rake in an extra $1,400 a month? Okay, that's what $50 a day equates to, in a month's time. Okay, and by work I mean copy and paste and post. Can you copy and paste? If you had, or if you can, then you have everything you need to start posting and to start making money, because when you join our team today, we give you all the content that you actually need, meaning I, as your sponsor, would give that particular person that's interested, I would give them all the training that they need. Outside of that, I would give them a list of posts like this where they could kind of work it or customize it to speak in their language, to post different ads, whether it be on Craigslist, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, wherever on social media they like to use that, they could use it. Okay. Here again, we would be changing what the call to action would be. Okay, to get the juicy details on how to get started, bam, I want you just to reply with your best email and contact phone number. Just that simple. Alright, once again, Craigslist doesn't like you using or redirecting people from their website to your own, but this would be where the responsibility would be left up to you to follow up with whatever individual who's reaching out to you in order to actually get them the ball rolling with what you have to share with them, and to see if they're a good fit for your opportunity. Plain and simple. And the title here, we're going to say, want to work from your laptop, want to make money from your laptop, earn income from your laptop. Most people have a laptop nowadays. It's a simple question. I'll put it in another area code, 19112. Closer to Philly, I'll put in 110. Bam. And then after I've proofed it, read it, the contact information here represents the email that you set up your Craigslist with. That's how they will reply. We said that before. You hit continue. It'll show the demographics as to where the post will be made or be sitting. Hit continue again. Images, you don't really want to add an image here because, once again, Craigslist frowns upon or scrutinizes copyrighted material, artwork, things of that nature. If you didn't make that artwork, they would really look to, shut down your ad because you're not representing authentic product, or you're not representing authentic material that you've developed yourself. So, that can't be said much about texting and the text messages that you leave. So I choose not to include a picture here for that reason alone. No harm, no foul. And now it shows you that your ad is ready to go. Your post will expire from this site in 45 days. That's how long it will run. That's how long people will be able to see this in that Philadelphia virtual community area. You're centered around Race Street, and in between Race and South Street. It's like you're within a 5 to 10 mile radius right there. And this is what these people are going to be reading and looking to reach out to you with. Once they see this, that'll create, at least 25 to 50 leads per day that you can get from this. That's something that I've experienced. And once again, it's really left up to you to follow up with the individuals who respond to that call to action. The fortune is in the follow-up. That's said all the time here within network marketing, and there can't be any more truth to that. If you don't follow up with the individuals that are showing interest in what you're actually offering, you might as well just be shooting blanks out there with regards to targeting a market there for your opportunity. In this case, you definitely have to get on the horn, get on the phone, talk to these people, get on the email, follow up with them to find out what they like most about what they saw, where they see themselves within the opportunity to make some extra income, or do they see an opportunity just to take advantage of the products and services. That's where your product knowledge comes into play. That's where all the information and training that you've done comes into play to be able to converse with these individuals and convey a message to them as to you being the expert on this subject, and you being an expert in a degree where you can lead them to get the same type of results you're getting in your business here with MyEcon. So I hope that you found this information very valuable. If this is your first time, even hearing about MyEcon, there's a link in the description below in this video that'll give you more detail as to what MyEcon is all about, and how you can get started making some income with the business opportunity from home, or how you could take advantage of the products and services that we all have to offer. But for those who are on my team, this is specifically a video set up for them so that they can see how, or another avenue in which you can actually promote the actual business vehicle, get more eyes in front of your website, and convert more sales, convert leads to sales. So once again, feel free to comment, like, and share. Subscribe to my channel. Just click on that link on the bottom right hand corner here if you're watching YouTube, and I'll see you on the inside. Have a great day. Peace.